Hello and welcome to a new video. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. China is the second most populous country in the world, as well as the second largest economy after the United States, but how do its citizens manage to save enough to live day to day? Here are 5 fundamental principles that the Chinese use to save money and live a harmonious life. 1. Live below your means. Frugality is a virtue deeply rooted in Chinese culture. Many families teach their children from a young age to spend less than they earn, avoiding unnecessary luxuries and prioritizing financial stability. 2. Save first, spend later. Unlike the Western approach of spending whatever is left over, in China it is common to allocate a fixed percentage of income to savings before covering other expenses. This ensures that there is always a reserve, even if the budget is tight. 3. Invest in education and skills. The Chinese highly value education as a way to generate sustainable wealth. Saving for one's own or one's children's education is not considered an expense, but a long-term strategic investment. 4. Avoid unnecessary debt. Traditionally, going into debt for consumer goods, such as clothing, travel, or electronics, is viewed with suspicion. People prefer to save until they can buy outright, thus reducing interest and financial risks. 5. Cultivate multiple income streams. Beyond strict savings, many people in China seek additional income, such as small family businesses, rentals, or informal sales. This allows them to save more without sacrificing their quality of life. These principles reflect a mindset of foresight, discipline, and intergenerational responsibility, where saving not only benefits the individual but also their future family. What did you think of these tips from the Chinese? Leave your opinion in the comments section. Tell me what other topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. I'll be reading them.